Everyone, in today's video, we are going to discuss about the major changes going to take place in CUET 2025 exam. So you might have heard about that CUET NTA has announced that we are going to have some changes. What are those changes? Let us just understand in detail. The very first change is now all the papers under CUET 2025 are going to happen computer-based tests. That means all papers, whether it is general aptitude test, language, or any of the domain that you'll be applying for, every paper is going to happen computer-based online test. So there is no hybrid module, there is no offline paper in it. It is completely offline paper that you have to apply. The second major change is now CUET has reduced the number of domain subjects that they had a list from B1 and B2 segments. And there were like 63 domain subjects available previously 2024, but now it is going to become only 37. So they have reduced the number of domain subjects. That means in all those subjects where previously domain subjects were required, which are actually eliminated, at those places now general aptitude test is going to play a vital role. Based upon general aptitude test, admission will be taken into those particular courses. For an example, previously anybody interested for law was supposed to write the exam for legal studies, but since legal studies have been dropped from CUET 2025, that means now the admission will be strictly based upon English and general aptitude test score. I hope this is clear to you. Next point is now dependency is more on general aptitude test. That means ninth and 10th level of mathematics, which is like trick based maths, then logical reasoning and GK. This is something you have to focus more to beat your best colleges as per your desired level. Now, there will be fixed timing for every paper, which is 60 minutes. Previously, some of the papers were of 45 minutes and GT used to happen of 60 minutes. But now the timing allotted for every particular paper under CUET 2025 is going to become 60 minutes each. So there is no time variation as such. Also, we have to understand that previously there used to be an option to skip certain questions. For an example, if you talk about English paper or any other domain subject paper, there were 50 questions and students were allowed to do only maximum 40 questions. That means you can willingly leave 10 questions for which you are not getting any answer. That means 10 questions were extra given in the exam. Similarly, for general aptitude test, there used to be 60 questions where you were supposed to attempt only 50 maximum, right? But now there will be no skipping of the question. That to simple mean whichever questions are in the paper in a respective subject, you will have to attempt them all. You can't leave any question. If you're leaving any question, that means the marks will be deducted or marks will not be given for that particular question. So there is no more skipping for your questions which were there earlier. Now, free to choose any domain subject. As I said, there are multiple domain which CUET is going to drop. That means now you'll be open to choose upon other subjects as well. So, but for this, you'll have to wait for a detailed notification to come out, and that will be coming somewhere in the month of January. So you'll definitely wait for that notification to come out, go through with all the pointers, and then see that which domain that you are eligible for and what is your requirement, and accordingly then you can fill up your form for CUET 2025. What is the best strategy to crack that CUET exam now? That is, like, first of all, you have to focus upon more of online mod education for CUET. I'm not just saying that online lectures, I'm saying online practice test papers. Because you know what happens when you're solving a question on a sheet that is offline, and when you are solving a question on a screen, both will be a different agenda and both will be a different interface, and students are not much habitual of doing the things online through screen, so this might take little more time as well. That's why first of all you have to move towards online practice module that we provide. Secondly, now since dependency is more upon general aptitude test, do well for your general aptitude test. And third, start as soon as possible your coaching classes, so that because you don't have much of the time left after board exam, so that you are doing your syllabus very nicely. Career Leaders stands as one of the finest coaching center in Delhi for CUET entrance exam. We have been preparing for last 3 sessions consecutively, and we have generated very good result. That too, you can see to our center once you are visiting. You can go through with the previous year, results and all. And if you are capable, if you are, you are a good student and you are planning for top universities to happen, if you're joining our module, this will definitely going to help you out to prepare well and to beat the competition as per the desired level. So you can visit career leaders, you can call our counselors, you can see to some demo classes, and then you can plan for your admission for CUT 2025. And for this, I'm sharing you the address. This is our institution address, which is in Delhi, Lakshmi Nagar. And this is the contact number through which you can contact me directly. My name is Vimal Gupta, and you'll be able to get in touch with me directly. So wish you all the best for your CUT exam and hope to see you as our student in your future. Thank you so much.